Hey, it's MK, and I am here with the third and final layout for Kick Conspiracy, and I have all these stars. You guys, I think I'm going to end up doing a project just to use up all those stars. Stay tuned. I think that's coming. I also have all of the little leftover bits from this collection, still a ton, and this is the last layout. What am I going to do? The sticker sheet still looks like I haven't touched it. Oh my gosh. I have 3 photos that I would like to put on this single page layout. And then I have this beautiful orange piece of paper because that is my daughter's favorite color. And I don't plan on using the brick, just the orange. I also plan on using up this beautiful circular element on this paper. It is just amazing. I cannot wait to use this paper, even though it's a gorgeous, gorgeous star cluster on the back. You guys, oh my gosh, I am torn. I'm glad I have 2 pieces. I've already shown you the orange, but I thought I'd show it to you again. And then I plan on using this beautiful yellow as my background. So even though I love the stripes, I'm going to use the orange. And right now I'm going to go and fussy cut out all of these circles. I'll be right back. Okay, now that I have all my circles cut out, I also cut out my photo mats. I'm going to really quickly go through and edge distress everything. Are you guys tired of edge distressing yet? I'm not. Sorry. So I'm going to go ahead and glue everything all down, and then I'm going to start gluing down all of these circles. Now, oddly enough, they don't go back the way that they're supposed to. I don't understand this. Which is fine, because the point is that I distressed them and I cut them out and I did all that good stuff because I did not want them to be a solid circle. I want that yellow to be seen through my layout. So obviously the edges I did not fussy cut out, so it's going to be really yellow on around the circle. And then I'm going to go ahead and put everything back in place. Now, this one here is a given because it does have that edge that is supposed to be on the edge. And at first I dabbled in the idea of, do I really want it wonky or do I want it just right where it was? Well, my design in my brain says that it needs to go the way it is. If I do it all wonky, then it's definitely not going to work out really well. So for some weird reason, my circle ended up bigger than it was supposed to. I don't know how that happened either. So went ahead and I just cut it in. I just cut it where it was overlapping and called it good. I'm done. And then here I twist and turn because, like I said, why does this not go back in place? Thought that I found it, and then I was like, oh my gosh, what do I do? Well, I'm going to just put it in I found the one spot once, and then I start twisting and turning again. I don't know why. I honestly don't. So I decided that, you know what, I'm going to twist and turn it until I find the design that I want, and then it's okay. I'm not worried at the fact that they are totally wonky and all over the place. So I'm going to do the same thing with this one here. It's kind of like one of those spirographs, where you keep turning it until you get the shape you want. Yeah, kind of like one of those things. But I really had fun putting all these circles back in place wrongly. Yes. So once I'm done with this, I did leave this process in, you guys, just so you guys could see, like what it's all about. And mostly what I'm doing is as I'm going by the stars and the circles that are printed in the circles. So yeah, that is what I'm mostly doing. And then here for this center one, I was thinking that I really wanted the stars, the most of the stars. And then I thought, not really, no. So I'm going to sit here and twist it and turn it until I get the way that I want it. And then I found the way I wanted it, but then I thought, well, let's check out everything else. So I keep twisting and turning, and I go back to the way that it was. Yes, glue it down in place. Yay, it's all done. But now you can see that the elements that were pre-printed kind of flank both sides of my photo clusters. I did end up dwindling down my photos from 3 to just 1 because I felt like one photo was a little bit repetitive, just a little bit sillier too. So I just dwindled it down to 2 instead of 3. And now I'm going to pop this up because I do want a little bit more of a dimension on this layout, as opposed to all my other layouts have been pretty flat. I haven't really done a bulky layout this week. What is wrong with me? I have no idea. So I'm going to just use up all of these random little pieces of fun foam that I had in my little tray. So I have this little tray that sits on my desk. I don't know why I went from my little bin. It's not really a bin. It's more like it's more like a case. I went from my case to having this tray, and I don't know why, but it seems to be working. And I just collect all of my, dimensionals inside that, inside this little tray. And yeah, I just picked it out, all the little pieces that I wanted to put on the back of my page, and there it is. I also add tape, double-sided tape to the back of my foam, so that way I have an instant stick, and then I add liquid adhesive, so that way I have a more of a permanent stick. Okay, so I've got this Snapchat that my husband took, and it says our oldest is 21, and then I put down 2 little ones that says "Stay weird, cool kid," because my first, she is definitely very unique. She has her own little personality. She has her own way about her, and she definitely is not one of those people that lets other people in her head to knock her down. It's just fabulous watching her develop in life. And so I definitely thought that title was absolutely perfect for this layout. So I'm going to rummage through all of my stuff that is left over. Oh my gosh, so much stuff, you guys. Am I going to use it all? Probably not. I have one more day to play with this kit. And the reason I say that is because then I'm going to actually move on to a new kit starting next week. So I technically have one day, but I do plan on coming back and playing around with, with these kits again, kind of like I did last year, where I kept bringing in other papers and whatnot. And I do have a playlist down below. It's not down below, but if you click on my, on my channel link, so like you've at this, at the bottom of the description, there is my name. And if you click on my name, or my channel's name, I should say, and if you go there, then you can see all the different types of playlists that I have available. And there is a playlist for just Kit Conspiracy. And if I play with the kit after Kit Conspiracy, those actually end up here, even though they don't have the Kit Conspiracy logo that starts at the beginning of my videos. So yeah, I do have that playlist should I continue to play with these kits, which I have a ton. So yeah, I'm probably going to end up definitely creating more layouts using these kits, especially when I'm not done with baby cows, you guys. That you have not seen the last of baby cows. Seriously. So anyways, pulled out the stars yet again. Woohoo! But this time I decided to add some puffy stars because I felt like they really matched the printed stars and went really well with them. And I'm only pulling out the black ones to give a little bit of a black and gray accent to this layout. Other than that, I am going to call it done. I am so glad that how I envisioned those circles, they actually turned out on this layout. I really like how it looks. Don't forget that Janet she is Galaxy Girl Creation here on YouTube. She is playing along with me every single day. Well, no, Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays for Kit Conspiracy. So go check out her channel and see what she is creating today for our last layout. Her channel link is down below in the description box, as well as where to find these papers. I'm not sure if I've actually mentioned that, but where to find all these papers are also linked down below. But I do have to tell you guys that if you click on them and actually create a purchase, then they're affiliate links. So I do get a little bit of compensation for helping you find those products. Yes, I do. If you guys are curious. All right, you guys, that is all for me today. Be sure to check out tomorrow because I do plan on using all of those stars. Yes, I do. Just so I don't have to put them away. All right. I'll see you guys all tomorrow. Bye.